Welcome to EDU World Space.
Good day. In this question, we are asked to solve this using conversion. So here we are given that a watt is a measure of power, and we calculate the number of joules in a kilowatt hour. So first, we need to understand the relationship between different units, where a watt is equals to 1 joule per second, and a kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. So an hour is equals to 3,600 seconds. Therefore, solving for the number of joules in kilowatt hour, we need to convert the kilowatt hour to joules. So we have joules here is equals to from 1 kilowatt hour. Converting this, we have 1000 watts is 1 kilowatt times we convert the watts is 1 joule per second is 1 watt, and then we multiply this to 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So canceling out this seconds, therefore joules here is equals to 3,600,000 joules. Thank you.